I have made many mistakes learning how to ferment vegetable, and I have wasted many from the garden, especially cucumbers and green beans. I've learned a few things from my husband's side of family. They use oil to ferment their vegetable, which is a new thing to me. If you remember in a science project, oils are hydrophobic and less dense and floats on the water. Mold and other microorganisms need water to grow. Hot fat like olive oil, which my husband's family used to ferment the vegetable, it makes it inhospitable for mold to grow on top of the jars, and this keeps the vegetables, water and salt ingredients underneath to work perfectly. I did not use glass weighted either. This was a game changer for me. I keep it very simple, just the jars and a lid. Second of all, they leave their fermentation jar out in the sun or by the window. The warm temperature helps the bacteria to start doing its things. And they also use a lot of dry spices, and which adds a lot of flavors. That was a new thing to me because my experience with fermenting was just salt and water and the vegetable. I will list the recipe in the description below. Feel free to adjust your ingredients. Let me know if you have fermented sauerkraut or other veggies with oil before.